e never reach. One day e go reach. Lesotho don confirm say dem don get their first coronavirus case. Na dem be the last country for Africa to get coro. If you want to catch monkey, make you do like monkey, pa pa pa, you go catch am. EFCC don gbab 2 Chinese people, Meng Kun and Zunkoi, for say dem want to bribe one senior oga for EFCC with $250,000. Na for inside EFCC office for Sokoto dem gbab dem. The oga take style deceive them. They come carry the money land, they take system catch them. This bribe na to scatter EFCC investigation of the multi-million-dollar corruption arrangee wey involve Chinese construction company for Naija, where the 2 suspects wey wan do the bribe dey work. EFCC say they don dey investigate corruption wey involve about $130 million for contracts for roads and water projects, plus many money laundering wey be make person dey transfer money from country to country for credential. Na Zamfara state government award the contract give to Chinese company Zongua Nigeria Limited between 2012 and 2019. Hi, this na Ororo for Pidgin News Network World News.